Here and another one on the, so it's gonna be just two. And it's another one right here, but I took it off already, like by this area. Now we have access. They're gonna show you how to replace this one and also the batteries. Okay, so right here I think I'm gonna have to talk. Just a quick explanation. Right here we have our principal negative and this one is our principal positive. So we're gonna connect the negative with the negative on this battery, and this other one is gonna be the positive. We're gonna have like this negative able to connect it to the cable, but this cable is not going to another negative. It's going to a positive, and then we're gonna have another negative, and then is gonna be all the connection. They're gonna be like positive with negative, positive with negative. I'm gonna show you how. I think I'm gonna disconnect everything, and after I show you how to connect it. Okay, so I take all the defective batteries right there, and I have the new ones right here on this little card. And we're gonna start with the, I think I'm gonna start with the negative. This one. Okay. We have our battery, blue, red, negative, positive. I'm gonna plug this one right here, and I'm gonna put it right there, very on the corner. And this other one, I'm gonna leave it right here. It's pretty simple to do. Just glue. Okay, we have our first negative, the principal one, and this is gonna be connected from this positive to another negative and another battery behind this one or in front of this one. Okay, for now we're just gonna leave this cable like right here hanging, and we're gonna put this battery right there on the corner. Okay, that's the first one. Now we're gonna connect this principal positive. Now on the positive right here. Let's switch this like this. I'm gonna put another cable right here where the negative is to plug it on another positive. Now we have the other battery right here. We have it connected to the positive, so we're looking to the negative. Gonna do it right here, so this way I just gonna push it and it's gonna be right there on the place. It's not gonna be hard to install the little cable. Now I'm gonna put the positive and we're just gonna leave it like that. And we're gonna connect the other battery on the other side. Oh, for this, when we disconnect the battery, we don't have any risk, any problem, no nothing. But before we connect this cable, like we connect all the batteries together, we have to make sure our breaker is off. So I'm gonna show you how. This with we have plug right here, the negative. So we're looking for the positive. I'm gonna repeat the same thing. Okay, we're good right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the last two batteries right here. It's gonna be one by one. Okay, so we're gonna put this also over this little bar, the cable. This is positive, we're going to the negative. We have this one on negative. This is negative. We're gonna plug it on the positive. Very good. Okay, and the cable is getting smashed. We have this negative and this positive ready to be connected. So that's the last step. But before we have to check our breaker because we don't want any accident. So this is on. We just have to put it that way. And now it's ready to be connected. Where's the last cable? Okay. Okay, we have all the connections ready to go. All the positive with negatives. And then we're gonna open our breaker right here. And that's it.